ATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat's going to be on in the 10-day forecast, but in between tomorrow night, some stormy weather on the way. As we take a look at the weather map across much of the lower 48, we have this upper level system that's sparking off showers and storms, heavy rainfall across the high plains. Farther to the south, we have very intense thunderstorms across Texas from Oklahoma down into the hill country, and that's the difference between this high pressure here, low pressure here. We have an active subtropical jet stream and more energy shooting disturbances. You see one coming right over the mountains right here where we have the kink in the wind. So there's going to be more energy heading off to the northeast. Most of the severe weather that we're going to see over the next day or two or three is going to be north of Acadiana, but we might have some strong storms by this time tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Taking a look at the radar satellite composite, you can see some of those heavier storms, severe thunderstorm watch and warnings going for a cell that's just by the San Antonio area, and then into northeast Texas, into Oklahoma, strong to severe storms. Look at this. This is ping pong size, maybe golf ball size hail, maybe even a little bit larger, that is moving just south of Wichita Falls. So severe thunderstorm warning there. A couple of tornadoes earlier back to the west, but no tornado warnings going at this hour, at least from what we can see. We kind of bring it in farther to the north. You can see those strong storms as you get up toward Oak City. They're going to have a rough night ahead, and they are covering that like a rug. You can see the severe weather threat, a moderate risk. That's a level 4 out of 5 as we head through the overnight hours for much of Oklahoma and the areas that we're showing in the storms. That severe weather threat shifts eastward, not quite as high, but still an enhanced risk of severe weather northeast Texas, northwest Louisiana into Arkansas. And what we're concerned with locally here is for the possibility of storms that may contain damaging winds, some hail into Thursday night, early Friday morning. And again, Acadiana hatched in that marginal to slight risk. These maps will be updated later on tonight for a little bit better continuity. But the bottom line, we're going to have to keep an eye on the storms at this time tomorrow night. Lower 70s overnight tonight with clouds piling in. Then tomorrow, mixture of clouds and sun in the afternoon. Showers and storms begin to build in as we head into the nighttime hours. The HER model here may be a little fast, but you get the idea. Showers and storms, some gusty winds, maybe some small hail, and a couple of inches of rain quite possible, but this is a little bit earlier run. The latest run did not come in tonight. There were some technical difficulties, at least on this map, but we do see there's still some showers in the area, perhaps into Friday afternoon, but rain chances will tone down. Latest HER model, this one did come in though, and it's lower the rains. I would still plan on an inch or two of rain, but this has gone a lot less on the rainfall, or it could be just a partial model run. Sorry about that. Sometimes the technical issues just get to you. So overnight tonight, we'll go with a pleasant evening, fair skies early, and then the clouds and maybe a little patchy fog coming in through the overnight hours. We'll see those clouds populating in the sky overnight tonight through tomorrow. Mostly cloudy in the morning, few intervals of sunshine. We're going to see more clouds tomorrow as compared to what we saw today. 86, 87 the high, gusty south winds 20 to 28. Those will be the gusts. And then going into tomorrow night, showers begin to develop into the evening hours. And then as we get deeper into the nighttime hours, we're going to see rain and storms across the area, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning with lightning as well. So keep that in mind. Could be a little rough as we head into tomorrow night. Rain chances toning down as we head into Friday, mainly in the morning, but a few in the afternoon. Then the heat is going to be on. Temperatures lower 90s this weekend and mid 90s toward the middle part of next week. We'll talk more about that heat in the days to come. We'll just have to watch out for the storms tomorrow night. That's it for weather. We'll be right back right after this.